Thank you, Blake Journey. Thank you for the love. Thank you, Wamuyu, for the love. Delicious. Thank you. Let's go. Positive vibes. Positive vibes. This is how big the park is. Like I said, it's a big park. This is cool right here. Check this out, guys. Tell me this ain't cool. Pancake, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pancake, let's go. What's good, my brother? Let's go, my brother. Pancake, let's go. I got a shout out my brother. I got a shout out my brother. Let's go. What's good, Pancake? How's Ohio? Kentucky got hit like with 5 tornadoes. My sister has a flood right now in her basement, and it's still raining. I'm texting back and forth with her. What's good, bro? All good, chilling, brother. I miss your ass. You gotta chill. We gotta chill. We gotta chill. We gotta do something, brother. We gotta do a teaser at least on these streets. We gotta chill in the streets. Let's go. Cold and raining, yeah, bro. That's how it was in Kentucky too. They have 5 tornadoes, brother, and they're under a tornado watch right now in Louisville. It's crazy. Amando Ma. Greetings, hosts and chat. Let's go. Blake Journey said, "Wow, that's awesome. Thanks for sharing with us." Yeah. Yesterday was 70, bro. Yeah. Today is 63 out here today in New York. I'm back in the big city, bro. But I'm leaving shortly again. I'm going back to Kentucky. Definitely after the tornadoes calm down. Pancake, my friend, haven't seen you in a while, says Blake Journey. Pancake is in a vacation. He's hibernating. He's getting summer ready. He's getting 2025 ready. Summer 2025 ready. You're gonna have a bigger, better, badder Pancake when we come back to the streets. Yeah, man. And I appreciate you, bro. You still come through to the lives. How's work though? I'm sure work is busy today since it's 70 degrees. Pancake, my friend, haven't seen you. Thank you, Amado Mom, for the love. Thank you for the love. Thank you for